gotta show you this. Mr. Milo is actually on my lap. This cat never does this. This is so unusual for him. I can't believe it. You know, that I actually have a lap now. Show everybody that pretty cat face. Yeah, pumpkin, yeah. This is so unusual. I'm surprised he isn't mad at me from earlier because I was actually brushing him. He was shedding like crazy, and this cat hates to be brushed. But listen to the purring. Yes, you're a friendly little boy. Now I'm going to be cleaned. You going to clean me, Milo? What? Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, look at this face. He is so happy. You know, one reason he might be doing this, it's getting ready to storm outside, so I wonder if he's a little nervous. I don't even know if he's heard a thunderstorm. I don't think we've had one since we got him last year. But you're very sweet, Milo. Gonna clean me some more? Oh, yeah. Matt needs a bath, huh? Matt's dirty? Now he wants to go to sleep. He's had his attention. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of Mr. Milo. Give me some thumbs up and I'll do more like this. I'm going to go get some rest with Milo on my lap. And as always, have a blessed day, everybody.